So hello and welcome back guys. So this video is after a long time. So in today's video we are going to discuss how you can integrate the Magic UI into your Next.js application. Okay, this is a very great good you can say front-end library that you can use like ShadCN, or it is built on the top of the ShadCN. So if you are having the ShadCN, then directly you can go with the Magic UI. So I am showing you how you can proceed with this. So uh, open your terminal. Let's create a empty repo. Okay, cd to that. Okay, so first of all create a empty next.js project. So npx create next app @test. So I want that it should be created inside this folder only. So yes, TypeScript, yes. So it is being installed till now. That let's explore this one. Okay, so this is the URL. You can go over here and you can just go with the getting started installation. Okay, we are using the Tailwind 4 version. If you are having a previous project and which might have the Tailwind version 3, then you can go with the version 3 and you can install that also. So we are going with the Tailwind 4 because in the Next.js now it is supported by Tailwind V4. So open it on the VS Code. So let's see. So you can see we are having a Next.js project. So now we want to integrate the Magic UI inside it. So go components and installation process. You don't have to do anything much about it. You have to just copy this command and open a new terminal and just execute this command. It will init the shared CN into your project. So go with the natural or the base things. So it has created a components.json file. Okay, now let's add any component. Let's say this is a great component, right? So let's integrate this. So you are having both the process manual and the CLI. You can go with the CLI. That is very easy for you and you don't have too much of worry about how to copy pasting code and that all. So we are having a components folder. Inside we are having a Magic UI folder. Inside that we are having a terminal.tsx component. Okay, so I was downloading wrong package that is now motion. Okay, so I was installing the motion slash react. So this is the motion. So yeah. So let's integrate this one into your page. Okay, and just say terminal. You have to, you can just directly check how can you integrate like that. Okay, so you can go to this code and you can see that what this terminal is requiring. So Let's copy it one and just save this one. Okay. So now you can go to this one and you can see we have integrated the magic UI into our project. Okay. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next video, and next video will be coming shortly. So thank you guys so much.